In this episode, we are going to show you the inside of an ocean suite on the Carnival Mardi Gras that's coming up. We are going to be showing you cabin 10401, so let's go check it out. Alright, this is so nice, very spacious. Let's just talk about this nice vanity area first. This is one of my favorite new features on the Carnival Mardi Gras. You have this huge light, big mirror so you can see how to get ready, and also there are 1, 2, 3 plugins and 4 USB ports, so that is phenomenal. We've got some nice shelf space here as well. We have this lovely refrigerator, and it is cold, guys. That is a good thing. Then we've got some more drawer storage right here. Your hair dryer is in there as well. That is great. And then we're gonna look here. We got several closet areas with lots of storage space in here. All right, and let's take a look at the other one here. You got your safe, and then a new feature that Carnival has added to the Mardi Gras is they have these pull-out drawers, which are fabulous for shoes or anything like that. Makes it super convenient. All right, let's work our way in here. You have a nice king-size bed, and also all the cabins on the Carnival Mardi Gras, they have also added these reading lamps here, which is great. And they also have, I don't know if you can see that, a little shelf to put your phone or your alarm clock or whatever you need to by your bed. Got a nice big TV here. Well, I about tripped over myself. And then you have a curtain that you can just slide if you want privacy, which is super great. And then let's kind of go into the living space. Again, another really big TV. Looks like a couch that will turn into a bed. And again, a ton more storage space. This is fabulous. All right, so lovely sitting area. And now let's take you outside and look at the balcony. All right. So here is your balcony area. Beautiful view. All right, let's go check out the bathroom now. Make sure I don't trip. All right. Let's check out the bathroom. On these suites, the cool thing is the bathrooms are a little bit deeper, if you can see in there, Jason. And they have quite a bit more storage space as well.
So if you are staying on an ocean suite here on the Carnival Mardi Gras, you have got a great room. There is plenty of space, plenty of seating areas, plenty of all those extra amenities you have with the Carnival Mardi Gras. Also in that bathroom, one thing I loved is that shower was so much bigger than you have in a normal room. So if you're staying here, I'm jealous. You got a good room. You're going to have a super cruise.